Here we are at a job in Diamond Bar where a piece of acrylic is going to be installed inside of the spa. What we've done is created a template, set it in place, then the shotcrete will be installed around it, and we will pull out the template and replace it with the actual glass. We are back at the job we shotcrete yesterday. Bobby's in the pool hosing it down, just trying to keep moisture in the concrete so it doesn't dry so quickly. So yesterday when we were here, there was a piece of wood inside of this channel that we have now removed, and glass will go in its spot. Here's another angle of that same opening on the other side of the spa. This will all be glass from right to left, the same height as the spa.
All right, so here we are at the office. We are preparing a piece of acrylic for a job site. This is the window that you'll see in the spa looking out. This area here, from the outside to here, is called the rebate area that goes inside the shotcrete notch that we've already built on the job. And so what Donnie's doing is he is polishing the acrylic, because he already put like a little radius on it. So it's a nice, clean, smooth surface. And then he has to buff it out over and over and over to make it nice and clear and beautiful. So that's the step. And then after that, it goes into the pool. We'll show you that later.